Hello and welcome. I've got for you here the Challenger 250 Etape Edition from French manufacturer who also makes Chausson. This vehicle is only it's only 639 centimeters in length, 235 in width. It's got an interesting layout inside, which I think may be suitable for those who are long-term tourists. 76,000 euros almost. And this vehicle comes with a drop-down bed, which you can see up there. We've got a table and lounge here. You can also make another bed down there. Lots of light. Would be anyway if this hall were a bit lighter. And at the back we've got, which is particularly interesting, we've got this rear washroom with a large domestic-sized shower with two drainage points there, and we've got here a this storage area, this wonderful wardrobe storage area. You get so much in here. You've got drawers, you've got hanging space. To me, this has got to be the reason why you buy this vehicle. It also comes with the window there. You can see here stuff you've got in your garage, and there's one of these things here that's just absolutely useless, but no, it's the Italian one, which is absolutely useless. I might have to do a video on that one day. Here we've got the ladder, probably not the best place to keep it, but that's to be used to getting into bed. See, it's got 230 kilo maximum on the bed. We can close this with that, gives us privacy, and very large washroom. I think this is very good. Two burners and a sink over here. We've got storage in the kitchen block. Comes with, there you go, there's the two burners. On the other side we find the fridge and the freezer. And so this is a shorter version. There's a longer version of this vehicle, 20 centimeters longer, and I'll try and show you. I'll show you the bed coming down, but they take the fuses out to stop people messing around with them. Okay, I'm the only person in here at the moment, but when there's lots more people, and there are people who do mess around with these things. There you go, enormous garage. And I'm going to take you around the other side as well. There, a door with a window with storage things for possibly get the dog's lead in there. And let's come round here, and to see the garage, which is there. Look at the space here. You get this extra space in the garage. This could go up like that, and that can be held in place, but really quite a magnificent amount of space. Now I shall take you to a similar vehicle, but which is 20 centimeters longer, to show how that sort of works out with the extra space. And I sometimes get disorientated when I'm walking around like this. Yeah, this one is 20 centimeters long. It's a similar price, doesn't make any difference on the price. You see, you've got sort of the lounge here, a bit more space in it, and at the back it's the same, only this one doesn't have a ladder in it. And you've got this wonderful storage area as well. There's the shower. The rest is it's just the same, just got a bit more space in it. So about 20 centimeters more. Now you may think 20 centimeters, that is absolutely nothing. It is about what? It's less than, it's something like that. Something like that. And the thing is this, when you need to park somewhere, that 20 centimeters could be the difference between parking and not parking. Also, you can get it in different versions, which I can show you. So you can get with two single beds. You can get one like this, which has a slightly different version. Big salon there, but around the back it's a more, how shall I put it, traditionally. You've got the same entrance here, but you've got the toilet and shower in a sort of a more traditional format. This table's very clever, I think. So it's the way it opens up, like that, etc., and doubles in size. Or you can have it looking as this one does. There you are, 2 single beds up there, lots of space under the bed as well. I mean, I can stand up no problem at all under it, and the rear as it was in the first vehicle. So I hope you found that interesting. I like the layout of this vehicle. 235 centimeters wide. That could obviously be a problem. That's almost sort of the standard width of most vehicles, even big ones, really big ones. But anyway, depends what you're looking for, what you want. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it interesting, and bye for now.